3, 2, 1. Blast off. Yeah, I believe I'm on. If not, someone could tell me. Usually check another device, but I took it off my phone temporarily. Good morning, morning story, message, and a challenge for me this morning. The voice can move the mountains. Flash of lightning and rolling thunder. Flash, lightning, rolling thunder. In 1996, the year my son was born, North Carolina. Let's say South Carolina, North Carolina. Hurricane Bertha. Lots of downed trees. Widespread power outages. Those hurricanes, you can whip up a lot of wind. Thunder and lightning. Rolling thunder. Rolling wind. Devastation. Loss of power. Remember losing food out of the fridge and cracked windshield, and a family had a tree fall down their house. They come over to our house for a while. Just as the cedar trees bounce, bend and jump like animals, and mountains move with flashes of lightning and rolling thunder from the big man upstairs, his power and glory. May we be quick to listen, hear, heed, and honor his voice. If the cedar tree breaks from his voice, mountains move at his command, then why should we not doubt his word? His word spoken through us, able to move mountains with flashes of lightning and rolling thunder. And we fear his voice. Yes, fear his voice and follow his commands and be like him. Faster than a speeding bullet. More powerful than a locomotive. Able to leap tall buildings in a single bound. Oh, that's Superman. Or better yet, instead, be like James 1:19. James 1:19. Quick to listen. Got 2 ears to listen. Slow to speak. Slow to speak. Slow to anger. And slow to wrath. Got 1 mouth and 2 ears, and I listen more. Watch what I say and do. I'll fear his wrath of cedar trees breaking and bouncing like animals. As I read this morning in Psalm 29, verse 5 and 6. Psalm 29, verse 5 and 6. The voice of the Lord breaketh the cedars. Yea, the Lord breaketh the cedars of Lebanon. He maketh them also to skip like a calf. Lebanon and Syrian like a young unicorn. The follow-up verse. Don't understand it. Mark 11:23. Mark 11:23. For verily I say unto you, that whosoever say unto this mountain, be thou removed, and be thou cast into the sea, and shall not doubt in his heart, but shall believe that those things which he saith shall come to pass, he shall have whatsoever he saith. So the voice can move the mountains in the flash of lightning and rolling thunder. Can also hurt you if a tree fall on you. Anyway, use word, walk, talk, listen, hear, and honor his voice. Everything say and do is walk, talk, chew it out. Short, sweet this morning. May we all be like him, able to leap tall, bound, single bound, faster than a speeding bullet. Locomotive, more powerful than a locomotive. Now, quick to listen, slow to speak, slow to anger, slow to wrath. This is Brent the Blabber signing off for now. Be blab, blue, blab, blue, blab, blue. Actually, Semper Fi. Faithful, Semper Fi, never die. Signing off.